This is your salivary fiber. Okay, now by the way, are these sympathetic or parasympathetic? Again I'm reminding you the same thing, it is parasympathetic. Okay, now this lacrimal fiber will enter into this particular opening over here. अब ये बताओ ये opening का नाम क्या है? What is this? Which is an L shape. This is your foramen lacerum. Okay, just look here. Now this one is going to enter into your foramen lacerum, और वहाँ से it will enter into a canal called as pterygoid canal. I already told you, right? And now it will enter into this particular ganglion. What is this ganglion? Pterygopalatine ganglion. See, if you are not understanding the way I am teaching you, that is the reason why I told you to take a screenshot of the parts here which I have already written. Okay, so that would be helpful. So go back, take the screenshot of that, keep it in front and just look at whatever I'm teaching. Okay, because if I write down all the parts here, it will be kind of mess here. I don't want to create anything. So these parasympathetic lacrimal fibers are entering into this pterygoid canal, and finally they are relaying on the pterygopalatine ganglion. Now after that, from here the postganglionic fibers also will come. So these postganglionic fibers are coming like this. Let us stop this story here. Okay, let us stop the story here. Now focus on this part, internal carotid artery. Now surrounding this internal carotid artery, you have got fibers. This is your sympathetic fiber. Okay, abhi ye sympathetic fiber will also, along with lacrimal fiber, sympathetic fiber also enter into your pterygoid canal. ठीक है, enter कर लिया, but it will not undergo any kind of synapse here. ठीक है, now the names will be changed here. You know what are these names? This lacrimal fiber, now you can call this lacrimal fiber now as greater petrosal nerve. Okay, and this sympathetic fiber which is in the pterygoid canal, this one is called as deep petrosal nerve. एक हो गया greater petrosal nerve, and now this one is your deep petrosal nerve. अभी ये greater and deep petrosal nerve, both of them are in which canal? बताओ, greater petrosal nerve plus deep petrosal nerve, both of them are in which canal, guys? Both of them are in your pterygoid canal. अभी ये दोनों को मिला के you call them as a single nerve. That nerve is called as VDN nerve. मतलब GPN and DPN together are called as VDN nerve. और दूसरा नाम पता क्या है? You can also call it as nerve to pterygoid canal or VDN nerve. VDN nerve मतलब क्या? GPN plus DPN. Okay, so till here I hope you understood it well. Yeah, right. Now we discussed about this particular nerve over here. Remember this, in the next picture also I will talk about this. Okay, this is your greater petrosal nerve, which are containing what fibers? Your lacrimal fibers. Okay, अब ये देखो, ये preganglionic lacrimal fiber है. Pterygopalatine ganglion cross करने के बाद, after crossing this pterygopalatine ganglion, after synapsing, you call this as postganglionic fiber. The name is same, postganglionic lacrimal fiber. Okay, the same postganglionic lacrimal fiber, just look here. ये देखो, this is your postganglionic lacrimal fiber, है ना? Remember this. Okay, I will just write it as postganglionic lacrimal fibers, postganglionic lacrimal fibers, right? So what is this third picture about? Third picture is about, we were discussing the course of lacrimal and salivary fibers. उसमें से lacrimal I just now discussed. ठीक है? Now I will discuss about the salivary fibers. First what we discussed, motor में the main red color one we have discussed. उसके बाद pink में 2 branches है, एक हो गया lacrimal and another one is salivary. Lacrimal is done. Now we will discuss salivary. Now just look here. What did I tell you? Just remind me, what did I tell you? I told you that ये जो पैरासिम्पैथेटिक फाइबर है कमिंग फ्रॉम सुपीरियर ऑलिवेटरी salivatory nucleus coming into the geniculate ganglion, it is not relapsing, I mean it is not a relying or synaptic